Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to left corner button so we can open the camera settings here. And now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category and here pick shooting methods. Now at the first place we have press volume keys 2 option, so when we tap on it, we can decide to use this as take picture or record video, which is now zoom in or out, and control system volume. So let me change it to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to the camera. Now let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back, so I can use zoom now by tapping on volume keys. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.